Hi, welcome to my tutorial on the Matrix Portal experience. When I send you a list of properties that you're looking for, like the top 20 properties that match your wants and needs, you will get an email from me that looks like this, and it'll say, "Welcome to the portal," and it'll explain it to you. And then you may have to scroll down till you see the link here that says Matrix South Florida MLS.com. Then when you click on that portal, on that link, it'll take you, it'll open up your web browser if it's not already open, and take you to this page on your web browser. Now, when you first open this up for the first time, you're going to get the map view. Now, these are condos, 2 bedrooms with 1 to 2 covered spots in Fort Lauderdale, on Fort Lauderdale Beach, up to 500,000. So as you can see here, there's a bunch of little green tabs that will click on and take you to the property as you click on each individual one. Also know that you can enlarge this so you can see a closer view of what roads the properties are located closest to. But this is the default map view with some smaller pictures. Now, you can navigate through this. This is the map view. This is the list view, which is what I recommend. You can go through them one by one as a list. Now, also, too, a lot of people don't realize when they get this that you may not see all the results. So at the bottom, if you look at the bottom of the page here, it says see more results. That will pull up more until you get to the end of it. Okay. If we scroll back onto the top, sometimes people only see the first 3 or 4 and don't realize how many there are. Right up here at the top left, you'll see 28 total listings. So there are actually 28 listings here, and you'll probably see 15 or 20 of them on the first, and then at the bottom of the page, it'll see more results. Okay, so here are your 3 different types of views. You have your map view, then you have the list view, which I recommend more, and then you have a comparison view, where you can see 4 up to a page. You can see different prices and some of the basic features located here. Okay, so the next thing I want you to realize and look at is that as you go through these listings, so that I know which ones you like and so that you can save the ones that you like, there's a heart here. A heart here saves it as a favorite, and it drops down a menu again when you click on it. Save it as a favorite, save it as a possibility, or you can actually just wipe it off your list. Sometimes I think it's better to leave everything on there unless you have way too many and you just want to say, definitely I don't like this property. But if you save a few of these properties, and as you notice here on the price, this says this was a price reduction. If you go down a little further, you can see new properties. So as within the last 24 hours. So once you get the original list of properties, as soon as a new property that matches what you're looking for, you'll get a new email with the new properties first, and then the list of the other properties as well. Now, you can save this and go back to it anytime you want to by just clicking on the link in the email and going back to the email that I sent you. Prioritize it, flag it, add a star to it, however your email works, and then you just click on this link. If you get a new one every other day or even every day, if it's a hot market that a new listing comes up, you can just go to the latest one. Okay. Now, also up here at the top, you'll see this is under Find a Home. You'll see your searches and you'll see your favorites here. Okay, so here on the favorites, these are the ones I just selected as favorites. Okay, you can also, my information's here. You can also see my information here again. Under messages, This will be every time an email was sent to you. And then you can also make notes on a property, okay, and save them there. Then you go to My Searches, and then you can click on the link as well. And again, it'll take you back to the last view you had. Usually, a lot of times it's on the default of the map. I think this is the better view for looking at the properties. Now, if you want to see the complete view of the property, you click on the address. As you click on the address, this will give you a large picture plus all of the information divided up. This is the major information, then general information, then information about individual rooms, here additional information, and then for like condos or homeowners, it'll tell you the basic information with that. And under financial information at the bottom, especially with condos, you're going to want to see how much the monthly or quarterly maintenance fee is, the taxes, okay, the tax year. So this has your financial information, the condo or the development information, any additional information, your rooms, general, and your major search criteria. Also, through here or the other one, you can look up and open up another map. And you can resize this map however you want to get more detail or less. So again, you can zoom in on the property. And if you hold your button down and drag it, you can zoom in, or you can zoom out to see the major roads, how far you are from this major road and this major road. So right now we're between Atlantic Boulevard and Pompano Beach and Commercial Boulevard and Fort Lauderdale. Okay, I'm sorry, that is Commercial Boulevard. So you can scroll in and out of each individual property. Also, we do have virtual tours linked to it, so you can actually watch the virtual tour go through. This one's taking a while to load up, but once it does, that'll be your virtual tour. Complete with background music, nothing like that. Okay, let's click back out of that. Now, once you're done looking at a single property, you can go back to the results, or you can click through each individual property's full view and full pictures. And again, I'm going to go back to the results. Okay, and again here, if you click on double click on the property, it'll open up the pictures for you in each view. Sometimes that little blue comes up on the first one. I don't know why it does that. Some pictures don't upload correctly all the time when an agent uploads it, and that may happen. So here again, you can click through and see the views from the property of inside the house, or you can go through the virtual tour and listen to that. Most people prefer to do that. So every little thing here, larger view, open all pictures. This one will open up a whole bunch of pictures for you. So there's lots of little things, and you can't mess anything up. And here again, this opened up a new tab, so I'm going to close out the tab. And let me see, I'll show you that again, because I don't have that up here. So this opened up a new tab over here. This is the tab back on the property, so if it opens up a new tab, be aware that you might have to close it out to get back to the original tab. Okay? Now, that's pretty much mostly what you need to know to get your way around this portal. And also, if you do want to search outside the parameters that I set up on your criteria, you can click here and start a new family and select it. Now, I don't recommend getting too precise. The more you do, the more properties it takes out, and there might be a good property that may not have one or two features you're looking for. It's on your wish list, but it may be a great property for you, and it doesn't hurt to look at the pictures and to see if you like the property itself. All right, if you have any questions, feel free to email me, give me a call, or a text, and I'll be glad to help you. All right, happy hunting. Okay, just to recap, we are in phase 2 of the buying process, which is to search, select, and see. As you search through the available properties, you'll select your favorites with a heart. Then all you have to do is just give me a call and I'll schedule the appointments to go see the ones you're interested in. Until then, have a great day, and I'll be seeing you soon.